Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdel from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the top niches to get involved in as an affiliate marketer. Plus, stick to the end of this video and I will be giving you my list of 160 niches that you can start making money from as an affiliate marketer. So let's get right into this video. So this video is the third video of a training series that I have created on how to get started with affiliate marketing step by step. In order to watch this whole training series, go to my YouTube channel's homepage, click on the playlist, and you should find all the videos for you to start binge watching. So today we are going to talk about niches. It is extremely important that you pick the right niche and product right from the start if you don't want any of your efforts to go to waste. There's nothing worse than spending hours creating content on your website or social media only to find out that nothing is happening after several weeks or months. That being said though, you could potentially make money from almost any niche. I've seen people make money from niches I never thought was possible, and they've tried it and ended up making six figures from those niches. But we are not going to be taking those kinds of risk. You want to make sure that whichever niche you pick, as long as you put in the work and you remain consistent, you will be successful. So how are we going to do that? How are we going to validate our niche before we get into it? There are four things that you will need to ask yourself before picking a particular niche. Number one, is there an all year round demand for that niche? You don't want to go and do something where you can only make money for 1 or 2 months every year, or else what's the point, right? I mean, for example, if you go into the Halloween niche, guess what? For 10 to 11 months of the year, you're not gonna be making any money. Yes, you could make a lot of money in some of those seasonal niches when they arrive, but you wanna build something a bit more long-term. Something where you know there's always going to be a demand, whichever period of the year you are in. Number two, product variety in that niche. It would be a really good idea to go into a niche where you can sell more than one type of product, because then you have the possibility to increase your average order value for every customer that you get. For example, let's say you went into the dog niche, for example. Things you could sell to dog owners would include like dog training courses. A lot of dog owners need guidance on how to train their dogs. Maybe it's their first pet or something. After that, maybe you could sell to those people physical products like dog collars. You know, those LED dog collars that can be very useful, right? And then you could also sell dog toys and so on. So this is an example of how you can have a niche with a lot of different products to promote as an affiliate. Number three, this is most probably the most important one of them all. Is there demand for that niche? Pick a niche where you know there's a high demand for. Usually niches where there's a high demand tend to be very competitive as well. But the way I like to look at it is, if there's a high demand for it, therefore it means that there's potentially a lot of money to be made from that niche. So I would not let the fact that there's competition in a particular niche to discourage you from getting into that particular niche. If there's a good demand for it, then for me, in my opinion, it's good to go for it. Now the next question is going to be how to know if there's a demand in that particular niche. Well, simply do some research, for example, keyword research, or you go find out what other people are doing in that particular niche. Are they actively creating content every single day? If they are, then obviously it must be because they are making money from it. Find out what they are doing and then try to see if you can reverse engineer everything that they are doing, or some of the things that they are doing. If it's working for them, there's no reason why it would not work for you as well. Model what's already working, don't be reinventing the wheel. Number four, are you kind of passionate about it? Okay, it can be very hard to find a niche which you have a lot of passion about and which can make a lot of money as well. However, it is important that you pick one in which you do have some kind of interest. This is a niche that you will try to make money from for the long term, months if not years. So it is important that you are at least semi-passionate about it, because if you're not, it is going to be really hard to keep going, especially at first if you don't see the results that you're hoping for. So do pick one where you have some kind of interest in. Okay, so let's recap everything before I move on to the huge list of 116 niches that I have prepared for you to download. When picking niche, things to look for. Number one, is there an all year round demand for that niche? We want to make money all year round, not for 2 or 3 months only. Number two, product variety or diversity in that niche. We want to pick a niche in which we can sell a lot of different products. Number three, is there a huge demand in that niche? If there's demand, there's money to be made, as simple as that. And number four, are you at least semi-passionate about that niche? You need to, or else you won't have the grit to keep going when things aren't going your way. There are a ton of niches out there that you can make money from as an affiliate marketer, so do pick one wisely. One advice I'd like to give you is that maybe it would be a good idea to look into the big three evergreen niches that are always in high demand all the time: health, wealth, and relationships. Health, you've got weight loss, fitness, diets, yoga, meditation, diabetes, etc. Wealth, you've got like make money online, personal finance, credit repair, online businesses, real estate, trading, crypto. Then for relationship, you've got like marriages, how to improve your relationships, how to build confidence, and so on. Those three niches are always in high demand and tend to have a ton of money flowing in. That being said though, there are a lot of other niches out there that people are making 6 figures from, so don't limit yourself. This is just like an idea for you to have. Just be sure that you're always doing the right research before picking a particular niche. I have compiled together a huge list of 116 niches that you can make money from. It's totally free for you to download. Just go to this website here to have access to it. Just take time to go through everything inside of this PDF, especially pay attention to the advice that I have written at the beginning of that PDF. As for me, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and to give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. I will upload the next video very soon, so it should pop up somewhere around here. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks for watching again.